Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hey everyone, this is Shavukta. Most welcome in my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how can you apply picture in your HTML page. So are you ready? Let's get started. If you didn't subscribe my channel till now, so you have to subscribe my channel. That was good because when you will subscribe my channel, so every class you can see first in free of cost. So are you ready? Let's start. For apply picture in your HTML page, firstly you will make title, then you can apply. It is not necessary you can apply picture without make title. So HTML head title pic slash title slash head. I have already told you when you will open command, so it's have to close, and first command close will be nearest from text. Okay, now I will open body and you will write img for image and src for source. So for apply pic or logo in your HTML page, you will write command of img image and src source is equal inverted comma open, then inverted comma close. If you want to bring picture in your HTML page in a specific size, so you have to write width and height with picture command with 400 px and height 400 px. Now close command slash body and slash html. Now how can you bring picture? So for bring picture in your HTML page, you will paste picture address between this inverted commas open and close. Firstly I will minimize, then I will open picture who I want to bring, right click, picture right click and open with Internet Explorer. You can choose another program to put in search. Okay, you will click more apps and then you will click Internet Explorer. Okay, okay, for bring picture, make sure your picture on JPG format. Otherwise, other format will not support on HTML page and it will not give. Okay, when you will open picture on Internet Explorer, I have already told you picture should be on JPG format. So when you will open picture on Internet Explorer, so address will be show. You will select address and Control C copy and open your notepad page and Control V paste. And then I have already told you file, save as, and write name. After select location, write name, and then you will write dot html. After write name, you will write dot html dot html. See. Okay, now I would like to show the result. I'm going to show you. Okay, that's good. The result has shown. So I hope you will be understand. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. I would like to say thanks of your likes, comments and appreciation. So remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.